Gotta get up to get down. Gotta get up to get down.
What is that? Oh my goodness.
Trying to warm up.
What up, y'all?
Hi.
It's cold all of a sudden in Texas. It's like
A cold front.
super windy and crazy, but we still out here. We're gonna get to work. It's late in the day. It's like after 5:30, so we got about an hour to do something. So here we go. Here.
What's that for?
There you go.
What the? Well, what you want me to? So I'm just supposed to be standing here
There you go. Hold
bundled up all
hold
day?
that.
Come on, let's move that stuff out the way so I can put this back up. It's still kind of warm in here though.
Woo, wind killing me. Hold on, babe. I'll be right back. This is crazy. Oh my God. Oh. Well, that's not fun.
You wanted me to help you carry it?
Man, you can help me carry the other one.
Okay.
Yeah, these solar panels fit in the car, y'all. This is craziness.
You want me to help you carry it or not?
I'm gonna fly away. Yeah, here. You got it?
Yeah.
All right. These are pretty heavy. This thing held like a charm, huh?
You want to do it right here? I still can't get that one now. It's stuck. The piece is stuck on there.
You gotta push it down.
I thought I did.
So the wind is going crazy, y'all, but we want to show y'all real quick where we are and where we ended off at. And we got one panel, two panels, that's what we had, and then half of this going, but then we got 3 and 4 right there. Hey, before we get started though, I want to let y'all know the Homestead Homies are so dope. One in particular, young and flourishing. Hey fam, appreciate the shout out. In the premiere that we caught last Friday, what day was that?
We built for this life, baby.
Hey,
let's get it.
Let's get it.
We gonna keep rocking and rolling.
Who be saying that?
Saying what?
Time to Tiny, my good brother and sister.
Hey, the
our
fam.
Homestead Homies.
The fam.
Homestead
Y'all been
Homies.
going hard on that driveway,
Hey.
man. Do y'all thing.
Yes, he be like, let's get it. So I be commenting like, let's get it.
Yeah, shout out Zay and Nay.
Yep.
They've been going crazy. They've been doing their thing, man. I've been watching Stan. I don't know if he watch us, but Stan Wilkins.
Oh yeah.
Wilson. I can't
Wilkins.
remember. Yeah. He been doing his thing with his tiny home build or shed to tiny home.
It's somebody else I be watching. Arizona Off Grid. Home to Homestead, or I think that's what it is.
What was the one guy name?
Somebody else. Camp Overflow. We do have a link that I'll be putting in the description with more homestead people through the Time to Tiny network. They call Homestead Homies. Check them out too.
I think so. Thursday?
I think it was Friday. Listen, I'm gonna throw a link in the description. They doing their thing just like we trying to do our thing. Hey, we trying to get on their level. Oh, and we need to put that bad boy here. This held up excellent though. Where's your level? There you go. It just goes over the middle of both of them. It's really that bottom one that's holding it. It's just a ledge. Cool.
Should be.
All right. Say when.
Go up a little, down a little, right there.
All right, so we got a clamp that is sitting on, and then we got this. So let's find that 30 degree real quick. All right, give me some marks.
Yep.
Yeah. And you know this goes on the end. How does it go? Are these on the outside or the inside? Okay, so they do. So let's take this measurement one more time. I gotta drill the holes again. This is where the 30 should go. All right, those are the new spots.
Okay.
All right. Thank you, ma'am. That sucked all the way in. All right, good.
Dang.
Where are we going with it?
Right there.
Let's go a little low. Okay.
I just feel like it's because you're so close to the edge of that piece, and this is coming down further past the bar, you see, from here to here.
Right. Okay, let's do it then. Let's do it. Let's undo it. We'll just take that out. That's fine. Just pull it out your way.
That's what I'm thinking.
Like here?
Well, let me tell you, let me get the thing out.
There you go. All right. Now I can go up and down over here. All right. Now let's one more time get that measurement, and let me drill this hole out. Oh, sorry. Widen that out a little bit. Solid. Push that through. Push that through. Easy breezy. Let's get these pilot holes in.
It's not level.
It's not, and that's wild. So if I beat this down, could I get it? Beat it down with a hammer?
You have to do both of them.
I know.
Yeah. It's definitely not level. Down, 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 right down. Down. Right there. That's because we went too far back.
Yeah?
Uh-huh.
It's going.
Okay. Yep.
Thank you. That's that teamwork, baby. Okay.
Okay. Let's knock this bottom one in. Okay, stop. A little bit more. Okay.
All right, and check this one.
No, that's okay.
We're good. Okay. So really what we got to do, I got to cut it off, but we got to find the middle. Battery gone. Dang.
And the other one too?
No, but since I only got a little more in that battery and I need it, I should have brought that power station. All right, y'all, so we got a little bit of sun back there. Thought it would pop out on us and try to give us a little bit of heat, but it ain't really working. All right, so y'all could see right there that we got ready to use the angle grinder, and we forgot to charge the batteries, so we can't knock these two pieces off yet, but we only have 4 panels. So first we're going to find the middle, put the middle panel on, and then move them according however we have to, and then it'll be one hole open or left, and that'll go down here when we come back with a battery. What's half of that 38?
It's 39 and a half.
I thought they were 38.
39 and a half.
No.
Yeah.
You measured 38.
I never measured them.
Well, it could either be a good thing or a bad thing. Pull it tight. How many? Round number.
190.
Half of 190 is
45 and 50 is 95.
Bang, right there. All right, so that's the middle. And then what's the middle of this? All right, if we pull this up and line the marks up like so. Question is, oh, y'all good? Yeah.
Hold on, I got it.
So from that side, it needs to be pushed.
Well, so why don't we just get the level?
This will be the.
Whoa.
This will be. This will be the first time using this ACTBOT laser, y'all. Real quick, I'll show y'all what's in it. We got a remote control, a couple of batteries. I think I still kept a battery in there. Anyway, I'm about to use this thing real quick, see if we can get a level line on it. But yeah, that's that ACTBOT. Sometimes if you got the right tools, you can make stuff happen. Yeah, battery's good. Let's see what we got. Let's let this mug. You can barely see it, but use the remote. Ooh, that's almost dead on too. Look at the wood up top.
I see it.
It's just off by a teensy bit.
Yep.
All right, that's solid across the top too. Woo! About this one. 39 1/4. Nice hangover. All right, ACTBOT. You came in handy, man. Okay. Yeah, it's level. It's beeping like that because it's not sitting level. Let's see if I can hold it level. Man, they got three-way leveling on it. They call it 3D level. I appreciate it, ACTBOT. No doubt. Much love. It's looking excellent. All right. Let me take a half a second to breathe. One into the sun going down. Y'all can see it back there. We had to pivot. We made a few wrong measurements. Fixed that though. Got these two put in, 1 and 2. That's that first one. We're gonna have to move it over though and drop that other one over here. I don't know why this is taking so long, but every time we come out here, it's just rush because we trying to get it done for y'all. But we gotta call it because the sun's going down.
My fingers are frozen.
Appreciate y'all, all the subscribers. We love y'all, man. We gonna be back out here soon, get the project done, start on some more projects. Let's get it. Peace.